Hakasan bat nrutrik unailar ka donbosco school Seling kala pelong ye ka training program. Na ka Bynta ki Nonghikai school halor ka pangjing start kumno ki Nonghikai ki pashat ki hikai bat ki pen inuksa ha ki kena ban pet pang ye ka jing hikai jongki. Arngut ki professor na Sacred Heart Theological College Maulai Shillong ki bakentup Yau Reverend Padar George Maliakal SDP, but Reverend Padar Arul Kumar Sebastian SDP, kilakren but Batai Sani ya kapangjing start bo Don Bosco lawan ra kabaki kot ke preventive system of education kabla long menta ka nong pateng ka rukam hikai but ka dustur kariti hagi school bapaniat ka seng reuniam solution jong Don Bosco. Kini kiriu Shempang kila Batai Sani baharu ya ka hoki kena ban Yoklet School Rights to Education Palawan ra akasandur bathamai ban penpriang ya ke jingnang jingtip dan ke new education policy jong sarkar India. Lepen syairu kumnu ki Nonghikai ki de ban penkre ilde haba ki ai jing hikai bat jing batai hagi kena school. Ki Nonghikai ki ladap da ke jingkemen bat ki la Shim pura hakini ki arsngi. Lepen bot ru da ke jing mer jingmot lor ki pang beper ki beyade hapring ki Nonghikai bat ki kena school. Kila don ru ki plajing keli agaba ki Nonghikai ki wat jing pensyai na kini ki riu Shempang. Kini ke program kala kersiu ru bandang penlong shushu Khubor bandang wat.
Love is so wonderful, God's love is so wonderful, God's love is so wonderful, oh wonderful love. Once again, God's love is so wonderful, God's love is so wonderful, God's love is so wonderful, oh wonderful love. It's so strength and not so strength, okay? We have done as a group work and we are enlightening ourselves, okay? And the third one is personally.
First of all, what I learned is that I need full commitment towards what I need for. And then I said I need to have a sense of belonging. That's what I need to reduce. I need to be little cheerful and not be too strict towards that.
Okay, thank you.
What I learned is